Yeah, flying low. He ain't get the truck fixed yet. Tell him what happened, low. You put one piece in.
Yeah, I just gotta grind that little pin down in it so it'll slip in and out of everything good. And fix my brake wheel cylinder. They leaking like a motherfucker.
The brake wheel cylinder?
Yeah. I mean, you know them brake things that spread out to hit the brake, they leaking, dropping. They just leaking like a motherfucker.
Well, he got about 2 things to fix. Hey! Oh, I ain't even see who dude's shoe come out. Left lane for the win, man. Right lane jumped out there, but I don't know what the hell happened. He couldn't hold him off. And then the left lane had that King R-tune in it and backfired. You know, when you got a King R-tune, you ain't got no hunter shot. This another King R-tune right here. I don't know, he had a backfire. This car right here, this Wanski, y'all. Wanski. He represent King R-tune also. Yeah, when you messing with King R-tune and you backfire, you ain't backfiring no little hunter shot. It's gonna be a boom, boom. He putting enough to explode some shit. Yeah, 500 shot, man. My people on here said 400 shot. What you saying, 5?
That's 500.
Yeah, see. So, that's every bit. You think 5?
Or more.
Or more, see, that's what I'm saying. So, you know what I'm saying? Badass little Nova, y'all. Street car. He can drive this thing. He even got his pro brackets on there, drag radius. Look like that's a what about that? Look like a 9, but it might be a 10. Yeah, I don't look that fat. Y'all taking right lane?
Right lane.
Man, he shouldn't be able to whoop him because they talking about this got a King R-tune on it, man. Wanski got a King R-tune on, so shit, man. Nova for the win. Y'all taking the Turbo Nova over the Nitrous King R-tune. They said they taking the Nova over the King R-tune.
I just got the $20 bet with the Nova. I'm with the Nova.
You with the Nova, okay. King R now, they said, is the driver good though? That's what they said. Is the driver good? You seen him? He do his thing?
He did a wheelie at XRP.
Okay. But he can't be sleep at the light though. Nova for the win. We finna see y'all right here. Track hooking not to be prepped. Yeah. They say this is our worst track, but here, this is where we had the most fun at. Wanski for the win, y'all. Left side. That turbo coming on too slow, man. Wanski is not playing no games, man. Y'all see that King R-tune? What did we just discuss? Did we just discuss that they ain't playing no games, man? We just said we ain't playing no games, bro. Hey, got 400, 500, man. Shot on that motherfucker. No backfire. Oh, let's get it. I need one. Let's go. I want that barbecue. Yes, sir. Got the beef jerky, man, out here. Got this bomb-ass beef jerky, man. Let y'all know.
Yeah, next weekend we'll be doing some fun stuff.
Somebody said, damn, Wanski is blind. Yo, this some bad. Go on, taste it, man. I let my boy taste it. I'll be snacking on that all week. Oh, we got bull in the. Hey, man, we're gonna have a look at right. I can drive that car and everything, man. That's old Uncle Bull, man. He always chilling with me. You know, we talk every day, man. That's my boy right here. He saying he come to interrupt some of this shit out here. Hey, tell him, man, one time.
This shit good.
Hey, order me another one. We need 2 of them. Yeah, I need the barbecue again. Yeah, this old girl beef jerky. This her husband right here. Ain't you married to Rebecca?
Huh?
You married to Rebecca? Yeah. They asking is that this her husband right here, man.
Yeah, you gotta go see her a little bit. She did her hair and she looks just like the lady on the bag now.
Oh yeah? Oh shit, they say she look just like this now. Look at her. Oh, you coming to some of the rim shows this year? Damn, that's Bull. Tell him Scott said what's up, man. Hey, yeah, we got Bull in the building, man. Let my girl taste the rest of it. She over there with the shirts. Yeah, Bull finna, oh, he finna juice it too? Oh, yeah, man. Yeah, he got the nitrous on, man. Let me see, I hope he can hook out here, man. I hope he can hook. Everybody else, man. Oh, hell yeah.
I need to get him food. I need to get him some food. So what?
Oh, shit. Hold on. They're gonna have to turn it down some, man. They're gonna have to turn it down some, man. He can interrupt this shit if he wants to. I know he can. All that Wonski. They say, can they order beef jerky from you online, mister?
Oh yeah. You can
Tell
go
them where they gotta go, man.
You can go to Bomb Ass Beef Jerky on Facebook and probably find it, but if you go to ybarbrand.com, that is where you can order
When I tell you it's good, man. He asking for seconds, goddamn. I'm telling you. It's hidden, man. This shit like some extra food. Sponsorship. This beef jerky is sponsored to you in part by Soup Mike Hot, goddamn. Soup Mike then bought this beef jerky, man. Look at him. Look at him go. He's saying it's good. Let me go take it to my girl. She ready to hit some of it too. I ain't even touched it.